OpenClaw just dropped its biggest security update ever, and if you're using it right now without updating, you could be missing out. We're going to be talking through how to update it, running through what this means for you. I'm going to explain what each fix actually means in plain English, no technical background needed, and I'm going to show you what you can do to start using it. We're also going to cover something new that nobody expected. So OpenClaw now works for you on your Apple Watch. It's basically your AI assistant, but on your wrist. And by the end of this video, you're going to know what OpenClaw is, why this update matters, what changed, and how to start using it. So we're going to get straight into this. All right. If you want to update it, you can see the update for the 19th of February right here. There's a few updates. So for example, Apple Watch MVP, gateway auth and device management, some security fixes, and a dashboard that now nudges you to update as well. So if you haven't checked this out, here's a full list of all the changes. Like you can see, OpenClaw are always updating and adding new updates almost every single day, to be honest with you. And you can see all the fixes and improvements right here. So there's quite a lot of them. Now, if you want to get started with updating this, let me show you an example of how you can do it. So what you do is you just go into OpenClaw. Like you can see, I've got set up on Telegram right here. And then what I did was just say, can you update to the latest version of OpenClaw? And then it's like done. Updated from the 17th of February to the 19th of February version right there. So you can actually just get it to update straight in the chat. I saw a few people complaining that it doesn't work after you've done it. It seemed to work for me directly. Colin says iOS app is not published, right? Not as far as I know. I think you have to do that manually yourself if you're using the iOS app that just came out on the 17th of February for OpenClaw. So that's how you can update. Once you've done that, you'll get access to all of these updates. And that's basically it. That's how simple it is, really. You might be asking, okay, what is OpenClaw? So OpenClaw is a tool that lets AI assistants like Claude run on your phone, computer, and other devices. It connects everything together so your AI can actually do things for you. It's kind of like an engine that powers your AI assistant. Now, you might be wondering, okay, but what just dropped? Well, one of the biggest security updates ever for OpenClaw has just been released. It's got over 40 security fixes in a single drop, and you can update quickly inside the chat. Now, one of the biggest updates is Apple Watch support. So you can now use OpenClaw on your Apple Watch. You can send messages and get notifications right from your wrist. It is the first version, so it's a minimum viable product, and it's basic, but it works, right? And then also the security fixes might sound boring, but this just means it's more secure, which is great. There's also this one as well called login and device management upgrades. So basically, before anyone could access it, now it auto generates a login token for you if you want to use it. And there's some iOS improvements as well. So the iPhone app now wakes up message even when running in the background, which means you get fewer failed messages when your phone screen is off. Also, it fixes some of the crashes that happen as well. And there's a dashboard update too. So on OpenClaw, there's now a dashboard update that nudges you to update when there's one available. It also shows you which AI model caused any issues around like tokens and that sort of thing. So if you want to update to this, like I've shown you today, it works in 4 simple steps, which is you open OpenClaw, you say update, and that's basically it. But it is an important one, especially with the Apple Watch improvements. Like, I don't even use an Apple Watch, but that is pretty interesting to see as well. I actually just got a new scheduled task completed here. So you can see, for example, this is OpenClaw, and what it does each day for me personally is it finds the latest AI news and then drops it inside the chat for me here. So you can see, for example, it's announced that Gemini 3.1 Pro dropped today, which is Google's new model. So it is really useful as a tool. It does break a lot. I mean, this is an open source project, so I don't have like super high expectations for it. But yeah, basically it's good to go. Yeah, and then just watch out for new updates. Every time there's a new update, get it updated inside the chat. Pretty simple and easy to do. So thanks so much for watching. If you do want to get a full course on OpenClaw and exactly how it works, you can get that inside the AI Profit Boardroom. This is my AI automation community that is focused on saving you time, helping you automate and scale with AI automation. If you go inside the classroom here, we've got tons and tons of trainings on OpenClaw and how it works. So for example, we've got a 6-hour course here, a 3-hour course here. Every time there's a new update, so for example, like Quen 3.5 is now able to use OpenClaw for free. We've got a full video tutorial inside the AI Profit Boardroom. There's a new Manus alternative to OpenClaw as well, and there's KimiClaw as well. All this stuff, like we just test as soon as it comes out, and then we share what we learn inside the AI profit boarding, plus create like full guides step by step for it as well. So you can see, for example, yesterday we tested out ZeroClaw versus OpenClaw, and then we created a full guide on like how to use it, how to set up exactly how it works. Same with Pocket Pour and everything else. And we create video tutorials and all this stuff. So feel free to get that inside the AI profit boarding. The other cool thing that you can do inside here is you can post questions, you can share your wins, etc. You can also join our accountability group. So if you struggle with information overload or shiny object syndrome, or you don't know where to get started, but you have goals, you can post them inside here and then stay laser focused on those and share them with the community so you're held accountable. Also, inside the calendar, you can jump on 4 weekly coaching calls per week. So you can jump on video calls, share your screen, meet the community, etc. And inside the classroom, you get all my best trainings, including a automation masterclass that takes you from beginner to expert with AI. Plus, you learn how to build your first AI agent in under 5 minutes. You'll get all my best playbooks, for example, for AI avatar videos, for shorts, for Instagram, for X, etc. These are all my playbooks on how I automate for my business.